heavy ammunition, and an aerial advantage.
Helibacon flies around in helicopters and we kill feral pigs with machine guns.
It's an unfair advantage, but that's the point.
And I actually agree with that. In this particular case, the purpose is not to be fair. The objective is to kill as many of them as possible.
Chris Britt is the CEO and co-founder of Helibacon, a commercial aerial hog hunting business in southern Texas.
Really what we're doing is aerial wildlife management. When we are regularly hunting an area or a region, we can keep the feral hog population down in that area by 80, 85, sometimes 90%. From the farmer's perspective, they get a form of free pest control that they don't have to pay for.
Invasive feral hogs reproduce quickly, are extremely resilient, and are devastating the ecosystem. John Tomachek is a wildlife specialist at Texas A&M University.
Whether we're talking soils, water, agriculture, wildlife, whatever it is, they're incredibly destructive and the system isn't built to tolerate them.
More than 6 million wild hogs are wreaking havoc in at least 35 states, causing $2.5 billion in damage annually, and half of the invasive swine are in Texas.
It's unlikely any single effort will completely eradicate the problem. This is just one tool that's being used to manage it.
Absent chemical controls, aerial and land hog hunting in Texas is legal year-round. USDA also uses traps.
They're beginning to invade suburban areas, they're spreading to other states, and so the population is getting bigger and the problem is getting worse, not better.
Last month, a man wrangled this wild hog in his yard after it chased his 14-year-old daughter. And wildlife removal experts bagged a whopping 488-pound feral pig outside Houston just 2 weeks ago.
The animals are huge, they're very strong, they're very tough and resilient, they have large tusks and cutters.
Human confrontations are extremely rare, but in November, feral hogs attacked and killed 59-year-old Christine Rollins outside a home in eastern Texas.
These pigs carry 12 different diseases, more or less, that you and I can catch. And so for us, from a health and safety perspective, it's a growing concern.
For now, with no natural predators, it's up to the hunters and trappers to try and keep these invasive pigs under control.
Big hog.
Reporting from Texas, I'm Usher Qureshi.